So if I were to go around over here and bring in, let's say, a noble shape right here, and if I were to type in this is a sentence just like this, and let me just go around and copy paste it so that the text overflows just like this right here. So once I go around over here and click and drag this out, you can see that over here on the right hand side, you got the properties and you can go around and utilize the different text overflow option. Right now, the text overflow is visible, meaning that if the text overflows right here, then everything that is outside of this particular shape right here is visible. But if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, onto the text overflow option from visible, you can see select hidden, and every text that overflows is hidden right here. The text is still there, but everything else is hidden, as you can see right there. You can go around over here and block it out over here as well, so that it does not actually go on to the top. And you can also go around and fill it out right here so that only that portion is seen, or you can set it on the basis of width as well, just like this. So you can go around and select out different overflows according to how you like. So you can go around over here, and let me just go around and select out this text, and then you can see that that is what you have right here. So let me just go around, press Ctrl Z, and just delete this. Let me just bring this out over here as well, and then type in some text right here, just like this. So these are some text right here. Let me just make sure that it overflows a bit right here. And once that is done, you can go around over here onto the overflow section. So you can go around over here onto the text overflow. Right now it's visible. You can go for hidden, as you can see, which hides out things. You can go for block, and you can go for fill right here, just like this, and width accordingly. So depending on what type of display you need, you can just go around and select it out. So that is how you can work around with the text overflow options inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.